To show you how we may evaluate a cube root function, I have two functions, f of x and g of x. I want to evaluate f of x at f of 127. Substitute that in, so f of 127 equals the cube root of 127 minus 2 equals the cube root of 125. And the cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root, or the function g of x, substitute -7 in. So let's evaluate that at -7. 3, 8 times -7 minus an 8. Cube root 8 times -7 is -56 minus an 8 equals a cube root of 64, -64. And then the cube root of -64 is a -4. Now we've talked previously about perfect squares. There's also perfect cubes I want you to be aware of. And the numbers are such. If x were 1, x cubed would be a 1. X were 2, x cubed would be an 8. 3 produces a 27. 4 produces a 64. And 5 produces 125. Those values there are perfect cubes. And every time you see one of those numbers, I just want you to have your spidey senses pop up and say, wait a minute, I think that's a perfect cube. Because if you can recognize it early on, that might make some of our work a little bit easier to do.